You just finished a digital painting and are ready to post it on social media. But I would ask you to refrain for now. Let me tell you 5 things that you can do after you have finished your painting to make it even better. Number 1. Give it a day or two. I suggest that you never post your artwork on the same day you have finished it. Instead, what you should do is spend 1 or 2 days without looking at that painting and do something else, like make another painting. Then come back to that painting and see if you like it as much as you liked it before. And I'm sure that you will find mistakes that you didn't see before, elements that you don't like anymore, and proportions that need some fixing. So now take some time and fix everything. And once you have fixed everything, just merge all the layers. To do that, select all the layers that you want to merge while pressing Shift and then press Ctrl plus Alt plus E, and you will create a new merge layer without deleting all the layers below. Now let's move on to number 2, adding suspended particles. So go to any photo website, search for pictures of particles, and download the ones that you like. Now these particles can be anything from dust to snow to stars. Just make sure that the background is black. Then bring that picture on top of your painting and set the layer mode to screen. Then press Alt plus layer mask button to hide the layer and then paint with white to wherever you want the particles to appear. If it's too much, just reduce the opacity and then use Gaussian blur to reduce sharpness. Once done, merge all the layers. Number 3. Color lookup table. First, go to the Image, Adjustments, and Color Lookup. Then expand 3D LUT and then go through each one of them to see what you like. So what LUTs do is they basically create a mood depending on what you choose. Means they affect color and contrast. I'm going for a warm evening look, so I will select Crisp Warm and press OK. Then I will reduce the opacity to something that works for me and then merge all the layers. And this is before and after. Before and after. Number 4. Chromatic aberration. Again, make a copy of your painting layer, then go to Windows and select Channels. In Channels, select the red channel so that all the other channels disappear. Then make all the channels reappear again, and then select the rectangular marquee tool and select your whole painting. Then press Ctrl plus T to transform and then move your painting slightly for that chromatic aberration effect. Then press Alt plus layer mask to hide the layer and paint with white on areas where you want the chromatic aberration effect. Painting with black will hide the layer again. Once done, merge everything. Number 5. Sharpen and Noise. First go to Filter and in Sharpen, select Sharpen. What it does is that it sharpens your image just slightly. Then again go to Filter and in Noise, select Add Noise. Then add as much noise as you would like and press OK. Why should you add noise? Well, because it looks good and also somehow it binds all your colors together. Another thing that it does is if someone tries to paint over your signature, then it will leave this weird patch that makes it obvious that the painting has been altered with. Okay, now you are ready to share your painting on social media. So like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.